The jurisdiction is named as England and Wales, which is to say is one jurisdiction. Because when we'll touch upon Scotland and Northern Ireland, right, Ollie, those are different jurisdictions. They have different laws, right?
Yeah, very similar laws in some respects, but yeah, different enough that we can't go there and practice. If you want to go to Scotland or Northern Ireland, you have to take a whole bunch more exams, unfortunately.
Yeah, it's not about that. I think they simplified the rules now in England and Wales for Scottish solicitors, and I hope vice versa as well. And in Ireland, it's really easy as well. You can convert from being actually to become Irish, like EU qualified lawyer. Yeah, it's just you don't need any exams. It's very easy to convert. So anyway, we have determined really not that many areas of practice or subjects where those differences may be actually relevant and may be tested potentially. So first, it's a general thing about the legal system of England and Wales, and I think we just tackled it. So it just covered. That's what you need to know. England and Wales is one jurisdiction, Scotland and Northern Ireland, different jurisdictions. Even though there's simplified ways to requalify. It's not about us, it's about laws. But it's still common law based, right, Ollie?
Of course, yeah.
I mean, the case law in Privy Council would be relevant too.
Yes,
right?
absolutely.
So it's same, but different by same. The most difficulties, I think, is about so-called devolved areas or devolved powers. It's about legislative powers and executives and how it corresponds, and we will cover it in the end. But the other very practical points where you may be tested in the actual exam is it relates to taxation and specifically property taxation, because they are given vast powers in Wales as well as to taxation, right?
Yeah, a lot of it makes sense given that they're able to manage aspects of their own budget and raise taxes in their own right and deal with things really that are more directly relevant to their own country. And then certain things reserved, obviously, to Parliament in terms of immigration, defence, and things that affect all of the UK as a whole.
Perfect. So